My YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to delete a logged hour in Jira. So guys, if you want to delete the logged hour in the Jira, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you go to your recents, means your space. After that go to your work. Here you see this is my work that I am assigned to my colleagues, and now I'm click on my work. Here you see that it shows my description and everything. Now when I move downwards, so guys, here you see the option of all activities. So here you see it shows all my activities that I perform on my task. And guys, here you see there is the option of work log. Now you click on the option of work log and wait a second, and after that here you see this is my work log, and after that you see the option of delete. When you tap here, it asks you to delete, so simply click the option of delete. Okay, now here you see it shows there is a no log. So this is the way that you can do. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.